Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually check if the answers of the AI that it gives you are apparently correct or not. Of course, if you are using the AI as like getting informations or getting like apparently some people use it as a resource of money, so they bring like what their clients are asking for and they ask the AI to do it. And yeah, you don't have actually to just copy and paste everything, guys. Sometimes you will have to read the article or whatever the AI is doing for you in order to make sure that you are delivering for your client the correct stuff and not scamming it. So now let's start with going to OpenAI and let's try the ChatGPT option. So let's click on try, and now we can start chatting. So let's click on hi. He will answer it. So let's wait until it will answer. So it will take some times or it will glitch. So let's wait for it. I think I will pause until it answers me, and then, oh, never mind, it answers me. So hello, how can I help you today? Can you write me an article about health? Health would you like me to write about? COVID or 19, for example. And now it will start writing and researching for information all in like the database and the internet, and he will try, or it will try, to give us like the best informations possible. So this process can take a lot of time, maybe can take seconds or even minutes. So now apparently it has like the traffic is so high, that's why it is slow, but normally it will not even take not 5, of course, like 10 seconds to answer you. So now it will keep glitching like that. I will wait until it answers me, or never mind, of course. It always interrupts me when I say that. So now it is writing us the article. So basically what you will have to do, guys, in order to make sure what it's writing is correct or not, you can use Grammarly, which is an extension in Google Chrome, to make sure that the article is correct and nothing in it wrong and there is no plagiat. The second thing, if you ask for a coding program, for example, if you ask for a Python program, make sure that you have the Python tool in your PC and copy the program and paste it in your Python and try to execute the program. If it works, then it means that the program is working well. The second thing, or the third thing, if you are like using the AI image bot, you will not need actually anything to make sure that the answer is correct or not, because it is an image and you can see it by your eyes if it is good or not. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually make sure that the AI answer is good or not. So thank you guys for watching and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.